Let's learn animal fun facts. Narwhal. A group of narwhals is called a pod, usually with 10 to 20 narwhals swimming together. Cow. A newborn calf usually weighs 25 to 45 kilograms at birth. Giraffe. Giraffes are known for their very long necks that help them reach leaves from tall trees. There are 4 known giraffe species. Seahorse. There are about 46 known species of seahorses. Dog. There are about 340 to 360 recognized dog breeds around the world. Clownfish. A single female clownfish can lay 100 to 1,000 eggs at a time. Sheep spend most of their lives grazing on grass in fields and meadows. Turkeys are known for their gobble, call, and for the red wobbly skin under their beak called a wattle. Tiger. The heaviest tiger subspecies is the Siberian tiger. Grasshopper. Grasshoppers usually live for about 1 year. Jellyfish. Jellyfish don't have brains or horns. Horse. There are more than 350 recognized horse breeds. Shark. The heaviest shark species is the whale shark, which can weigh up to 19,000 kilograms. Lions have 2 main subspecies, the African lion and the Asiatic lion. Llamas are known for their thick woolly coats and for carrying loads in the mountains. Hippos spend most of the day in rivers or lakes to keep cool and come out at night to eat grass. Elephant. Baby elephant, called a calf, can weigh 90 to 120 kilograms at birth. Turtles are known for their hard shells that protect their bodies. Seals are excellent swimmers and often rest on beaches or ice. Crocodiles have powerful bites and can stay very still in water while hunting. Rhino. The white rhino is the heaviest rhino species. Spider. There are over 50,000 known species of spiders worldwide.